up, everybody? It's Dr. Chaos. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to hot swap a Xbox. The full tutorial, taking it apart, actually hot swapping, and then putting it back together. I already did hot swap, but I'm just deciding to make a video. So the tools you're going to need is a Torx 10, also a flathead. You don't need another flathead, but I like to use it, and a Phillips. Also, you're going to need your mod disc, Tanner Weaver, ISO sickle. That was pretty cool. Motionflex V2. Alright, so put that over there. Move that, move that, move that. My Xbox is all put back together from the last time I hot swap. I know it's kind of dark, but if you guys look at it, back controller, that's the side. I've got my little gaming setup, laptop, whatever. I'm gonna take the Xbox and set it down. Now let's set up the camera. Alright, so first you're going to want to remove your hard drives. You guys are going to want to take off these shoes. That's all of them. Come right off. Mine's cracked though from the last time I hot swapped, so you guys are going to end up like that. Mine did. Don't worry. My hard drive's already out. You guys are the ones that got your hard drive. So you guys are going to want to start right here. Oh, my bad guys, I just realized I never took out the thing. So hold on a second. I'm just gonna... You guys want to take out the thing? You guys are going to want to go to the inside of here. You guys are going to use your Torx 10. And there's going to be a little screw in there. I'm just going to want to unscrew that. This is your lock right there. The little tiny screw. That's up the shape. Just come right out. That's like that. And there's going to be little latches inside it, right inside it, right there. I'm just going to want to pop those. Exactly. Just open right up like that. And then you just move the bottom. Pop it like that. Right into the top of this one. 16. And you guys are just gonna unscrew this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, so until you can make the flat. Unscrewing the big black ones. They're pretty big. The other ones unscrew your motherboard, so you don't want to do that. This other, the long black ones. Your 5, put those with the other screw, and then you're just going to mount it. This will come on with your Facebook. Pull this one out. You guys look on it though, for the faceplate, the sensor and everything. People really don't remember how to take them off. There's a blue thing right here. If you just pull it out, it'll come right out. Just like that. And then you guys just gonna want to look at CD drive. There's gonna be 2 cords in the back. You just wanna unplug them. Okay, for you guys, there will be a square sticker right here. But I already took mine apart, so mine's off. All you have to do is peel it off, and it'll come right off. So then it's going to this. Flip it over. There's going to be 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what I need the Phillips on. Just going to want to. Oh. Screw those, silver screws. There, they look like this. That's 1. 2. 4. And now what you guys are going to do is you're going to flip it over again. And for you guys are going to see this foam stuff going on. You guys are going to want to take your flathead, and I want to make sure you guys can see this. You guys are going to want to go in right here, and then just cut it across to where the foam still stays on. So if you look at mine, the foam is still on. So then you guys are going to flip it over and go off the bottom. Okay, now you guys want to be very careful. Flip it over, grab the other back, and sit down now. It should start sliding, and you guys should wiggle it out. So it comes right up, just like that. You have this, and you have to put the bottom right back on. You don't mess anything up on this. Just like that. You guys can put it back on. Whatever you want to put it back on. Like this, and just pop this off. Put that in there. Set that down like that. It's time. Put that right there. Now you guys are ready to test it. So, the Xbox. Yeah, I'm ready. No, not so. Pull out my phone. This is what you guys got so far. Okay, so we're just gonna bring it over here. Put that down. I'm actually gonna this. My light like this so you guys can see everything better. Okay, I just want to make sure you guys can see everything that's going on. Alright, there we go. Okay, so now you guys are going to want to plug your stuff back in. So there's one of them. The other one. There's a second one. You guys don't need a USB for this, but I use a USB. Oh yeah, this is all the stuff, guys. After you guys are done taking everything apart, there's that, faceplate, sides, all that. That's what you guys should have. And then I'm just going to take my USB, and I'm just going to put it in, grab my controller, turn it on. Get your Call of Duty World at War ready, or GTA, whatever you're modding. Your modded disk. And I'm just gonna sit down. Okay, so you're just gonna wanna sign in. Okay, so you guys wanna make sure that your Wi-Fi adapter isn't in it. Just click no, so that way you have no Wi-Fi. Scroll over to settings, system settings, storage, and you're gonna want to clear your data off here. So I'm gonna move my map pack to the hard drive. I'm taking this to load. Hold on. It's gonna take a second to load. Hold on, guys. Still loading. Hold on, guys. What should I show? And I'll just re-hotspot. Okay, so then it'll say this. Well, this is my installed game that I already have. I'm going to delete it. Yes. This is probably going to take a while too, guys. Because it's installed. Oh, maybe not. Alright. Then you guys are going to want to go back. Make sure that you press Y. Clear system cache. Yes. You guys are going to go to your hard drive. Y. Clear system cache. Yes. Go back. Go to console settings. Autoplay, and make sure it's disabled. Okay, then you're going to go Xbox Home. And then you're going to